The things that are so commonly taught about manifestation, about the law of attraction, could be exactly what is holding you back and what is blocking you from being able to manifest. Welcome. My name is Jenna. I'm a spiritual mindset and manifestation coach. And today we are talking about the most important manifestation game changer. When we are learning about the law of attraction and we are taking all of that information in, and our minds are being filled with all of these methods, what can happen is we can shift ourselves into a state of lack. We can accidentally put the things that we want up onto a pedestal, separating yourself from it, making it feel unattainable. But when we put something up on a pedestal, it is saying that that is hard for us to have. We are far away from it. When we want something so much, it can push that thing further and further away. It puts you in a space of looking at your current reality as not being good enough. And what I'm going to share in today's video can completely transform that, shifting you into a vibrational state of consciousness that is in alignment with what you want to manifest. When we want to manifest something, we can imply that we are separate from it. We are not separate from it. We are these things. We can become these things and align ourselves within the same frequency of that which we want. We need to embody that thing, become like that thing, or like that person that you want to be, which will make it more natural for you to be able to have those things. We do not manifest what we want. We manifest who we are being. And that is the key. We need to embody what it is that we want. We need to become it. Our current reality is a direct reflection of who we are being. We are always getting back who we are being, a reflection of who we are being. So positive thinking and visualizing and all of these manifestation techniques are useful, but it is so important to know that what you are manifesting every moment of every day is who you are being, how you are showing up in the world. It is the emotions that we are feeling. It is the actions that we are taking. It is our self-image and our ability to be within the present moments. These are the things that determine what you pull into your life. So when we are putting what we want on a pedestal, when we are making ourselves separate from it or implying that our current reality is not as good as that, we are blocking ourselves from receiving it because that is the vibration that we are putting out. So that's what we are getting back. Think about what it is that you want most, what it is that you want to manifest more than anything. Think about the ideal version of you. Really think about it. Imagine that version of you. How does that version of you, who is in the relationship that you want, or the job that you want, or the financial situation that you want, the day-to-day living experiences of what you want, who is that person? What feelings do they feel? What self-image do they have? What actions do they take? How do they show up through each day? What are they doing? Who are they being? How different is that version of you from who you are being now? What patterns or habits has that version of you let go of? What things are they doing that you're not? We can shift and change our frequencies so much more easily than we think, but we will never do it. We will never change our current reality by wishing our way there. This is where I got lost with law of attraction and manifestation for so long. I felt like if I wished for it enough, it would come to me. If it was meant for me, it would appear in my life with neon flashing signs saying everything that you've ever wanted right here. I misunderstood the role that I play, the emotions that I need to embody now, the self-image, the self-concept that I need to embody, the actions that I need to take, the choices I need to make and follow through with, the personal responsibility that I need to accept for my current state of circumstances and my current reality. As soon as we make a new choice about who we are, it changes so fast. As soon as we begin making those choices, embodying them, following through with them, and understanding our own role and that our concept of ourselves can shift our experiences in our outside world, it changes so fast. When you begin to see yourself as the person that you want to become, when you shift your self-image to the person that you want to become, when you start making the choices that are in alignment with that person, your life will change so fast. When you begin to become that person in your day-to-day life, you begin to do the things that that version of yourself would do. You begin to make the choices that that person would make. You begin to take the actions that that person would make. You feel it. It becomes who you are. You begin to embody everything about that version of you. That is when you will shift the timelines so fast that it will blow your mind. This is the key that will change it all. Ask yourself all of the ways you can become like what it is that you want. You have to treat and act in your current reality like the reality that you want in every way that you can. And so when you look at all of these different manifestation techniques that we have that can be so useful, but you add this in and you find the ways that you can do those manifestation techniques with this in mind, it is a game changer. What does the person that you want to become do on a daily basis? And how can you begin to embody these things and do these things and make choices that lead you to that in your daily life now? What actions can you take? What changes can you make now to get you where you are and the reality that you want, instead of it being what you want here and where you are here? What can you do to level that off? Do that, and your life will begin to change. And you don't have to have all of those things that will externally change when you are that person in your current reality now. You can begin to make those changes internally, which will lead to you making those choices, taking those actions, changing your self-image. Whatever you can to level that between where you are and where you want to go. Begin to ask yourself those deeper questions of what your role is in becoming that person, because you will never wish your way there. Your life is never going to change by chance. It changes by choice. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you begin to embody that person that you want to become. Again, my name is Jenna. I am a spiritual mindset and manifestation coach. I make videos on mindset, spirituality, and manifestation. So if you have not subscribed and these are the types of videos that are for you, I would love for you to be a part of the movement. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you.